Hello dear kids, this is Himanshi from Gurukulam Gyanodaya Vidyapeeth. Welcome once again to our maths class. Kids, today we are going to discuss a new concept. What is that? That is thick and thin. Thick means mota or thin means patla. Thick, thin, thick, thin. Do with me. Thick, thin, thick, thin. ओके किड्स, अगर मैं आपको ये दो बुक्स दिखाऊं और आपसे पूछूं बच्चों इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है, तो आप क्या बताएंगे? आप बोलेंगे मैम ये वाली बुक मोटी है और ये वाली बुक पतली है. सो दैट इज, हम इसको कैसे कह सकते हैं? This one is thick and this one is thin. Thick, thin. Okay? अब आपको समझ में आया थिक और थिन क्या होता है? Now we will understand this concept with the help of some objects. Okay? So let me show you something. Look here. These are two bangles. 1, 2. Okay? Can you tell me what is the difference between these two bangles? Yes, this one is thick and this one thin. Thick bangle, thin bangle. Okay? Thick and thin. Now look at these two wooden blocks. Can you tell me which one is thick and which one is thin? This one is thick or thin? Tell me. Yes, this is thick and this block is thin. Thick block and thin block. Thick, thin. Okay. Now, डू यू लाइक टू ईट वेजिटेबल्स? आपको वेजिटेबल्स खाना पसंद है? कौन कौन सी वेजिटेबल्स खाते हैं आप? बहुत सारी खाते होंगे ना. अच्छा ये बताइए, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज ब्रिंजल एंड दिस इज पीज. मटर, बैंगन, ब्रिंजल, पीज. इनमें क्या डिफरेंस है? ब्रिंजल इज थिक और थिन? Thick, very good. And peas is thin. Brinjal is thick and peas is thin. Thick, thin, thick, thin. Okay. Now kids, I have two pens. This is a marker pen and this is a ball pen. Can you tell me the difference? इनके बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है? This one is thin and the marker pen is thick. Thin pen, thick pen. Okay? Now look at these two sticks. ये दो sticks हैं. कौन सी thick है और कौन सी thin है? ये कैसी है? Thick और thin? Yes, very good. This is thick. And this is thin. Thick stick and thin stick. Okay. Now look. What are these? Cello tape. हम इसको किसी चीज को चिपकाने के लिए यूज करते हैं ना, टेप को. तो इनमें क्या डिफरेंस है? थिक टेप, थिन टेप. दिस वन इज थिक and this one is thin. Thick, thin. Okay. Now look at these two boxes. Can you tell me which one is thick and which one is thin? Right. This one is thick and this one is thin. Thin box, thick box. Thick, thin. Okay. I have two roller sticks. आपने अपने घर पे देखी होंगी ना, इसमें कौन सी थिक है और कौन सी थिन है? ये कैसी है? थिक एंड थिन, थिन थिक, थिन थिक. Now kids, I hope you understood what is thick and what is thin. Okay, thick means mota and thin means patla. Thick, thin. Okay, now kids, it's time to check your knowledge. We will do an exercise on the board. Okay, so let's start. क्या करना है हमको इसमें? Tick the objects that is thick. Tick the objects that is thick. Thick objects में tick करना है. Okay, so look at these two pictures. This is pumpkin and this is peas. Pumpkin and peas. Pumpkin कैसा है? थिक है या थिन है पीस से? आपने मुझे अभी बताया था ना ब्रिंजल में, पीस कैसा था? थिन और ब्रिंजल थिक था. तो यहाँ पर pumpkin, right, pumpkin is thick and peas is thin. हमें किस पे टिक करना है? थिक ऑब्जेक्ट पे. थिक तो pumpkin है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? pumpkin पे टिक करेंगे. ओके, now look, what are these? Candles. ये दो candles हैं. Can you tell me which one is thick and which one is thin? This is thin, thin candle and thick candle. टिक करना है हमको thick candle पे. So I will tick thick candle. Okay, now look here, these are two trees. One tree is thick and the other is thin. Which one is thick? This one or this one? This one? Yes, right, ये है thick, हम इस पर टिक कर देंगे. Now I have drawn two bottles. Okay, one bottle is thick and the other is thin. Which one is thick? This one or this one? This one is thick? No. And this one is? Yes, this one is thick. तो हमने ये एक्सरसाइज कर ली बोर्ड पे. Now you need to practice this concept at your home. Okay, find out some objects and tell your mother which one is thick and which one is thin. Okay kids, we will come back in our next video with a new concept. Till then, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Good day.